Why bats are the real superheroes of the animal world. Bats have several superpowers, such as 1. Resistance to viruses. Bats remain healthy throughout their lives. They almost never get cancer. Moreover, they can safely carry deadly viruses. Bats infected with rabies or Ebola don't get sick. They have unique immune systems. Bat immunity has evolved alongside viruses. 2. Echolocation. Bats aren't actually blind, contrary to popular myth. But many of them don't rely on vision as their primary sense. Instead, they use echolocation to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. They emit high-frequency sound waves. The waves bounce off objects, creating echoes. The bats listen to these echoes like radio receivers. They calculate the size, shape, and distance of the objects. This natural sonar is extremely sophisticated. Some bats can detect an object as small as a human hair. They recognize differences in echo delays of less than a microsecond. 3. Super smell. Vampire bats can smell heat. They have heat sensors on their noses. These help them find a spot where warm blood flows. Unlike most other bats, vampire bats can fly, crawl, and hop. They strike their prey from the ground, approaching it on all fours. Then they jump or fly onto its back. 4. Longevity. Bats seem to violate the basic rules of biology. Generally, smaller animals have shorter lifespans, but bats are the longest-lived mammals relative to their body size. The current record belongs to a Brandt's bat in Russia. It weighed less than quarter of an ounce, yet lived at least 41 years. Scientists think this has to do with bat telomeres. Telomeres are protective structures at the ends of chromosomes. In most animals, telomeres get shorter with age. This process is associated with age-related cell breakdown. But bats from the genus Myotis seem to keep their telomeres intact. 5. Flying. Bats are the only mammals that can actually fly. Other flying mammals can only glide from tree to tree. But bats use their muscles for self-powered flight. This makes their flight techniques unique in the animal kingdom. Bat wings resemble modified human hands. They have elongated fingers connected by a flexible skin membrane. The flexible wings are supported by special muscles. Unlike bird or insect wings, bat wings can fold during flight in various ways. This makes bats the best flyers on Earth. The world's fastest self-powered flight is the Mexican free-tailed bat. It reaches speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The fastest bird is the peregrine falcon. It only reaches speeds between 40 and 60 miles per hour in horizontal flight. 6. Roosting upside down. Bats sleep and even hibernate upside down. This position allows them to take off more easily. If bats hung by their thumbs, they'd have to let go before taking off. But by hanging upside down, they can spread their wings. They also have a clear view before taking flight. 7. Pollination. At least 549 plant species are pollinated or dispersed by bats. Those include bananas, mangoes, guavas, and cacao. The lesser long-nosed bat is critical for the pollination of the blue agave. It's the cactus from which tequila is made. These same bats also pollinate the saguaro cactus.